Picture this. You're an American artist in your cozy California studio, sketching a simple doodle on your phone, and seconds later, it transforms into a stunning, professional masterpiece ready for sale. Or imagine turning your family's vacation photos into Hollywood-level edits without spending a dime on software. Sounds like magic, right? Well, today, Google's latest AI breakthrough, Nano Banana Pro, makes it real. And by the end of this video, you'll not only see how it changes everyday creativity across America, but discover simple ways to turn it into serious cash flow for yourself. Stay tuned. This could be the spark your side hustle needs. Welcome to AI Insider Feed, your daily source for the latest AI breakthroughs, tools, and updates delivered straight to you. It's December 31st, 2025, the last day of a year that's seen explosive growth in artificial intelligence, especially here in the United States. Today, we're diving deep into Google's Nano Banana Pro, the cutting-edge AI image generator and editor that's making waves from Silicon Valley to everyday American homes and businesses. Built on the powerful Gemini 3 Pro model, Nano Banana Pro isn't just another tool. It's a revolution in how we create, edit, and monetize visual content. We'll explore the newest news on this California-born innovation, how it's already impacting lives across America, from boosting creativity to raising privacy questions, and, crucially, practical ways you can use it to your advantage, including step-by-step guides on making money with it. No hype, just clear facts, real examples, and actionable advice tailored for American viewers like you. Let's get started with the basics. Nano Banana Pro is Google's advanced AI model for image generation and editing, officially launched on November 20th, 2025 by Google DeepMind. It's an upgrade to the original Nano Banana tool, now powered by Gemini 3 Pro, which means it handles complex tasks with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Unlike basic AI generators that spit out generic images, Nano Banana Pro lets you create high-resolution, 4K, quality visuals from text prompts, doodles, or even existing photos. For instance, you can type a description like a futuristic cityscape in New York at sunset with flying cars and get a polished, realistic image in seconds. But what sets it apart is the editing capabilities. You can doodle changes directly on an image, like adding a beach umbrella to a photo or altering colors with simple sketches, and the AI intelligently applies them. This Doodle Your Dreams feature, as Google calls it, is a game-changer for non-professionals, making pro-level editing accessible to anyone with a smartphone. The tool is integrated into Google Photos and is rolling out to Samsung TVs and other devices, meaning millions of Americans can access it right from their living rooms. According to recent reports from PC Mag, Nano Banana Pro outperforms competitors like ChatGPT's latest image generator in realism and detail, especially for multimodality tasks where it combines text, images, and edits seamlessly. To give you a sense of its power, let's look at some early user examples. One American photographer in Texas used it to mock up prototypes for client shoots, saving hours on manual edits. Another small business owner in Florida generated custom product images for their e-commerce store, cutting costs on stock photos. These aren't hypotheticals. They're real stories from the tool's beta testers, shared on platforms like Reddit and X. But how did we get here? A quick history. AI image generation started gaining traction in the early 2020s with tools like DALL-E from OpenAI, but they were clunky and often produced surreal, unusable results. By 2024, models like Stable Diffusion improved stability, but Google's entry with Nano Banana in early 2025 marked a shift toward user-friendly, integrated tools. Now, with Pro, Google has refined it for professional workflows, incorporating feedback from American creators who demanded better control and ethical safeguards. The release timing is no accident. As 2025 ends, Google is positioning Nano Banana Pro as a key player in the AI arms race, especially against American rivals like OpenAI and Midjourney. With over 1.5 billion users on Google services in the US alone, this tool has the potential to democratize creativity on a massive scale. Moving to the freshest developments as of December 31st, 2025, Google just announced an upgrade to Nano Banana Pro's capabilities, integrating it more deeply with Gemini 3's multimodal features. According to the Google blog, Users can now generate images from voice commands via Google Assistant, making it hands-free for busy Americans on the go. This is particularly useful for professionals like graphic designers in New York or marketers in Chicago who need quick visuals during meetings. Additionally, a new trends report from Google highlights how Nano Banana Pro defined 2025's AI image trends, from 3D pet figurines to nostalgic self-portraits. For example, users created over 1 million younger self-portraits, blending old photos with AI edits to relive memories, a hit among American families during holidays. But not all news is rosy. Recent reports from VentureBeat and WebPro News raise privacy concerns. Nano Banana Pro processes images through cloud servers, potentially accessing user data for training. With 1.5 billion Google Photos users in America, this has sparked debates in Washington, D.C., about data protection under laws like the CCPA in California. Google assures users of opt-out options, but experts warn of risks like unauthorized image use in AI training datasets. On the positive side, integrations are expanding. Nano Banana Pro is coming to Samsung TVs, allowing Americans to edit family photos directly on their big screens. Mashable reports this rollout starts in early 2026, tying into Google's push for AI in consumer electronics. Another big update, Skywork.ai notes that Nano Banana 2, an evolution of Pro, is in beta, promising even faster 4K generation and better safety filters to prevent harmful content. This positions Google as a leader in ethical AI image tools, especially for American educators and parents concerned about kids' online safety. In competitive news, PCMag compared Nano Banana Pro to ChatGPT's latest image generator, finding Google's tool superior in realism, but noting OpenAI's edge in creative variety. This rivalry benefits U.S. consumers, driving innovation and lower costs. Nano Banana Pro remains free for basic use, with premium features at $20 per month via Google One. Now, let's explore how Nano Banana Pro is already transforming lives across America from coast to coast. In a country where creativity drives industries like Hollywood entertainment, New York fashion, and Silicon Valley tech, this tool lowers barriers for everyone. First, on a personal level, for the average American family in states like Texas or Florida, Nano Banana Pro makes photo editing effortless. Imagine a parent in Dallas turning blurry vacation snaps from Disney World into sharp, vibrant memories with a simple doodle. No need for expensive software like Photoshop. It's all free in Google Photos. This saves time and money, allowing more focus on family moments rather than tech hassles. Professionally, it's a boon for small business owners. A cafe owner in Chicago can generate custom menu images or social media graphics in minutes, cutting marketing costs by 50% or more. According to a 2025 study by the U.S. Small Business Administration, AI tools like this could boost productivity for 30 million American small businesses, adding billions to the economy. In education, teachers in American schools are using Nano Banana Pro to create visual aids. A history teacher in Boston might generate accurate images of historical events, making lessons more engaging for students. This aligns with the U.S. Department of Education's push for AI in classrooms, helping bridge learning gaps in underfunded districts. Creatively, it's empowering artists and hobbyists. An aspiring illustrator in Seattle can prototype ideas quickly, iterating on designs without traditional tools. This democratizes art, allowing more Americans to pursue passions that were once gatekept by skill or expense. However, impacts aren't all positive. Privacy concerns loom large for American users. With data processed in Google's California servers, there's risk of breaches or misuse, especially under evolving U.S. laws like the proposed American Data Privacy and Protection Act. Some worry about job displacement. Graphic designers in Los Angeles fear AI replacing entry-level work, though experts argue it creates new roles in AI oversight. Socially, Nano Banana Pro could amplify misinformation. Easy deepfakes might spread on social media, affecting American elections or public discourse. Google has filters, but as seen in 2024 incidents, it's not foolproof. Environmentally, the tool's cloud computing demands energy. Google's data centers in states like Oregon consume massive power, contributing to America's carbon footprint. Yet, By reducing physical prototyping, e.g., in product design, it could offset some waste. Overall, Nano Banana Pro enhances American innovation, making high-tech tools accessible to all 330 million of us. It's a double-edged sword, boosting efficiency while demanding vigilance on ethics and privacy. Here's the exciting part. Nano Banana Pro isn't just a toy. It's a money-making machine for savvy Americans. With the U.S. gig economy booming, over 36% of workers freelancing in 2025 per Upwork, this tool opens doors to lucrative opportunities. Let's break it down with practical, step-by-step ways to profit, tailored for beginners and pros alike. First, freelance AI image editing services. Demand is skyrocketing. Businesses need custom visuals for marketing, and Nano Banana Pro lets you deliver fast. Step 1. Sign up for Google One. Free tier works for basics. Premium for unlimited edits at $9.99 per month. Step 2. Practice with prompts like professional product photo of a coffee mug on a wooden table. Experiment with doodle edits to refine. Step 3. Build a portfolio. Generate 10 to 20 samples showcasing before/after edits. Step 4. List services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, charging $20 to $100 per image edit. American freelancers report earning $1,000 to $5,000 per month starting out. Example: a designer in Miami uses it to edit e-commerce photos for Amazon sellers, turning $50 gigs into repeat clients. Second, sell AI-generated art and stock images. Nano Banana Pro's high-quality outputs rival human work. Step 1. Create unique pieces. Prompt abstract American flag in cyberpunk style or realistic landscape of the Grand Canyon at dawn. Step 2. Use editing features to customize, e.g., doodle additions for personalization. Step 3. Upload to marketplaces like Shutterstock, Etsy, or Redbubble. As an American seller, you get favorable tax treatment. Step 4. Price prints at $10 to $50. Digital downloads at $5 to $20. Top sellers make $2,000 to $10,000 per month passively. Example: an artist in New York specializes in AI-generated motivational posters, selling thousands on Etsy. Third, content creation and social media monetization. Nano Banana Pro speeds up visuals for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Step 1. Integrate with Google Photos for quick edits. Step 2. Generate thumbnails, banners, or video graphics, e.g., futuristic AI interface for tech review. Step 3. Build a channel or profile around AI tutorials, monetizing via ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. Step 4. American creators qualify for YouTube Partner Program faster. Aim for $1 to $5 per 1,000 views. Example: a blogger in Atlanta uses it for blog images, boosting traffic and earning $500 per month from ads. Fourth, product prototyping for e-commerce. Ideal for Amazon sellers in the U.S. Step 1. Mock-up products. Prompt 3D render of custom t-shirt design. Step 2. Edit variations with doodles for colors/sizes. Step 3. Test market on Etsy or Shopify, then scale. Step 4. Profit margins. Sell print-on-demand items at 200% markup. Example: an entrepreneur in Denver prototypes apparel, hitting $10,000 per month sales. Fifth, AI art NFTs or digital collectibles. Though the market cooled, it's rebounding in 2025. Step 1. Generate series, e.g., American landmarks in surreal AI style. Step 2. Mint on platforms like OpenSea, US-based for easy taxes. Step 3. Market on X or Reddit, pricing $50 to $500 per NFT. Step 4. Build a community for repeat sales. Example: collectors in Las Vegas buy themed AI art, netting creators $3,000 plus per drop. To maximize earnings, combine strategies. Use Nano Banana Pro for your own marketing visuals. Remember U.S. tax tips. Deduct Google One fees as business expenses. Free resources like IRS gig economy guides help. Potential earnings: beginners $500 to $2,000 per month. Pros $5,000 to $20,000. The key? Start small, iterate, and leverage American platforms for global reach. Privacy concerns and ethical use. Balanced view. While exciting, Nano Banana Pro raises ethical questions for Americans. Privacy. Images uploaded to Google's servers could be used for training per terms. In California, CCPA gives rights to opt out, but nationwide enforcement varies. To protect yourself, use incognito mode or local editing apps when possible. For money-making, disclose AI used to clients. Transparency builds trust. Ethically, avoid generating misleading content. U.S. laws like the Deep Fakes Accountability Act target harmful deepfakes, so stick to positive creations. Overall, with responsible use, Nano Banana Pro empowers more than it endangers. Looking to 2026, Nano Banana Pro will evolve. Google hints at video generation integration, revolutionizing American filmmakers in Hollywood. Privacy laws may tighten, but innovation will surge. For you, stay updated. Tools like this could automate 20% of creative jobs, per McKinsey, but create twice as many in AI management. Embrace it now to lead the wave. That's our deep dive into Nano Banana Pro, a tool reshaping American creativity and opportunities. Tomorrow, more fresh updates. If you're ready to turn AI into income, subscribe and turn on notifications. Comment below, what's your first Nano Banana Pro project? Thanks for watching AI Insider Feed. Happy New Year. See you in 2026.